Robert Lee Williams III, born on October 17, 1997, in Shreveport, Louisiana, is one of the NBA's rising defensive stars. He grew up in a modest household and was raised primarily by his mother, who played a crucial role in his early development both as a person and as an athlete. From an early age, Robert exhibited a unique combination of size, coordination, and athleticism that made him stand out from his peers. At North Caddo High School in Vivian, Louisiana, he began to earn a reputation as a dominant force on the basketball court. During his high school years, Robert established himself as a top-tier talent in Louisiana. His ability to block shots, rebound with intensity, and finish at the rim made him a nightmare for opponents. Coaches and scouts were impressed not only with his raw athletic tools, but also his timing and instincts on defense. After attracting attention from major college programs, Robert committed to play college basketball at Texas A&M University. During his time at Texas A&M, Williams quickly made an impression. As a freshman, he averaged 11.9 points, 8.2 rebounds, and 2.5 blocks per game. These stats earned him SEC Defensive Player of the Year honors and placed him on the radar of NBA scouts who were intrigued by his athleticism and shot-blocking prowess. His sophomore season saw continued growth, and although his stats didn't skyrocket, his understanding of the game matured. He averaged 10.4 points, 9.2 rebounds, and 2.6 blocks per game, maintaining his status as a defensive anchor. Despite speculation that he would enter the NBA draft after his freshman year, Williams chose to return for a second season, a decision that surprised many but allowed him to further develop. After 2 years at Texas A&M, Williams declared for the 2018 NBA draft. Leading up to the draft, some concerns arose regarding his consistency, maturity, and professionalism, which caused him to slip from a potential lottery pick to the 27th overall selection by the Boston Celtics. Despite falling lower than expected, the Celtics viewed him as a high-upside project with the potential to develop into an elite rim protector and roll man. His early days with the Celtics were a mix of promise and growing pains. In his rookie season, Robert dealt with limited playing time and nagging injuries, but managed to flash potential in short stints. He became a fan favorite due to his explosive athleticism and timely blocks, earning the nickname Time Lord after missing a team function and later jokingly being referred to as someone who was always late. The nickname stuck, and rather than being a blemish, it became a badge of honor among Celtics fans. Over the next couple of seasons, Williams slowly worked his way into the Celtics rotation. He learned from veteran bigs and coaching staff, refining his understanding of defensive positioning and defensive timing. During the 2020-2021 season, his minutes increased, and so did his productivity. He averaged 8 points, nearly 7 rebounds, and over 2 blocks per game in under 20 minutes per night, demonstrating his efficiency and impact. His role grew significantly in the 2021-2022 season, which turned out to be a breakout year. Williams became the Celtics' starting center and their defensive anchor. He was instrumental in helping Boston become one of the top defensive teams in the league, covering ground like few other big men could. His ability to switch onto guards, protect the rim, and grab defensive rebounds made him one of the most versatile defenders in the NBA. Offensively, he was a highly efficient finisher, often converting lobs and putbacks with ease. He averaged 10 points, 9.6 rebounds, and 2.2 blocks per game, establishing himself as one of the premier rim protectors in the league. His emergence coincided with the Celtics' resurgence as contenders, and he played a key role in their deep playoff run to the NBA Finals. Unfortunately, injuries continued to be a theme in Williams' career. He underwent surgery on his meniscus late in the 2021-2022 season, which limited his availability during the playoffs. Despite battling through pain and playing in key games, his health became a long-term concern. The Celtics managed his minutes carefully, but it was clear that his presence significantly boosted the team's defense.